Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Credit Sesame for credit scores easy tutorial step by step clearly. To connect with Credit Sesame for your credit scores, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.creditsesame.com and press enter. Once the Credit Sesame homepage loads, look for the Get Started button and click on it. You will be prompted to create an account. Fill in your email address and create a secure password. After entering your details, click the Sign Up button to proceed. Next, you will need to verify your email address. Check your inbox for a verification email from Credit Sesame. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Once your email is verified, return to the Credit Sesame website. Log in with your new credentials. After logging in, you'll be guided through a brief setup process. Provide the required personal information, such as your name, date of birth, and social security number. This information helps Credit Sesame access your credit data securely. Follow the prompts to complete this section. Next, Credit Sesame will ask you to provide some financial information. This includes details like your income and housing situation. Your responses will help tailor their services to your needs. Once you've completed all required fields, submit the information. Credit Sesame will then retrieve your credit score and report. This process may take a few moments, so be patient. After the retrieval is complete, your credit score will be displayed on the dashboard. Explore the website to better understand your credit report and score. Review the tips and tools available to improve your credit health. You can also set up alerts to monitor your credit score over time. Enjoy the benefits of tracking your credit score through Credit Sesame. Make sure to log in regularly to stay updated on any changes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.